Welcome to the end of this module, which covered a range of topics related to the Android Studio Integrated Development Environment. Now that you've completed the lessons in this module, you should know how to install both the Java Development Kit and Android Studio. You should also be able to create and import projects into Android Studio, as well as have learned its major windows and tools and know how to use them. Likewise, you should understand how the files within an Android project are organized and how to create and edit them. In addition, you should know how to manage, create, and run Android virtual devices, as well as how to run your apps on them. Finally, you should have learned some basic debugging techniques for both syntax and logical errors in your apps. Understanding the material covered by the lessons in this module will become more important as you progress through this MOOC and beyond. In particular, knowledge of Android Studio will provide the foundation for other MOOCs in this specialization, as well as enhance your ever-growing knowledge and experience in developing Java for Android apps.